Whole lot of loving, 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 loving. Whole lot of. Hey, mama don't need your shit. I don't need no lip, just a whole lot of loving.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Jay, as always. So today we're gonna be installing some side splitters for the Z. I'm right here with my boys and help me out. Quick shout out, but let's get to it. Show you guys in a bit. Quick shout out to EZ Splitters right there. Hold on, bro. You guys can use cardboard to lift it up. Shit don't fit. Let's do it.
Make yourself at my home, tell me where you been. Pour yourself something cold, baby, cheers to this. Sometimes you gotta stay in, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house, play that music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house.
Alright guys, you gotta start making the hose. The more the better to secure, you know, the splitters, but other than that, you guys should be good. Let's see right quick. You have the battery. Yeah? Thanks, sorry. There it is. Quick shout out to EZ Splitters. Pretty sick. I dig it. I dig it. I dig it. It's pretty bad. Quick shout out to my boy Kevin too for helping me out. Much love. So make sure to subscribe to him. I put it his link down in the description. So subscribe. Other than that, here it is. Alright guys, so this was the end of the video, and I want to appreciate all the love and support. Keep on subscribing. Make sure to drop a like. For the new viewers, subscribe. Much love to all you guys, and once again, gotta thank my boy for helping me out. Keep your head up, do you, be you, stay focused, stay positive, and don't let anything bring you down. As always, this is your boy Jay. I'll see you guys until next time. Peace.